Let's be honest. Most of us graduated high school knowing more about the Pythagorean theorem than how to manage our own money. And that's a huge problem. We're thrown into the real world with zero financial literacy, expected to navigate things like credit cards, loans, and investing. It's no wonder so many people end up struggling financially. But here's the good news. It doesn't have to be that way. In this video, I'm breaking down 10 personal finance rules that they should be teaching in every school, but don't. We're talking about the fundamentals that will empower you to take control of your money and build real wealth, regardless of your background or income level. So whether you're a student, a recent grad, or just someone who wants to get a better handle on their finances, this video is for you. Let's dive in. Rule number 1, budgeting. Look, I get it. Budgeting might sound boring, but it's the foundation of personal finance. Without a budget, you're flying blind. A budget is simply a plan for your money. Make conscious choices about spending and saving. The goal is to free yourself from financial stress. Find a budgeting method that works for you. Track your spending, stay disciplined, and make your money work for you. Rule number 2, compound interest. Albert Einstein called compound interest the 8th wonder of the world. It's like magic in finance. You earn interest on your interest. Invest $1,000, earn 10%, now you have $1,100. Next year, earn interest on $1,100. This snowball effect leads to exponential growth. Start early to maximize wealth. Rule number 3, credit score. Your credit score is basically your financial GPA. It's a 3-digit number that tells lenders how risky it is to lend you money. A higher credit score means you're considered more trustworthy, which can translate into lower interest rates on loans, better credit card offers, and even easier apartment rentals. Your credit score is calculated based on several factors, including your payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, types of credit used, and new credit. It's crucial to check your credit report regularly for errors and to build good credit habits early on. Here are a few tips for building and maintaining a good credit score. Pay your bills on time, every time. Keep your credit utilization low. Don't open too many new accounts at once. And aim for a mix of credit types. Rule number 4, debt management. Escape the debt trap and reclaim your finances. Debt can be a major roadblock to financial freedom, but it's something that millions of people struggle with. The key is to understand the different types of debt, how to manage it effectively, and how to get out of debt as quickly as possible. Start by creating a list of all your debts, including the balances, interest rates, and minimum payments. Then prioritize your debts by interest rate, focusing on paying down the highest interest debts first. There are 2 main approaches to debt repayment: the snowball method and the avalanche method. The snowball method involves paying off the smallest debt first, regardless of interest rate, to build momentum. The avalanche method focuses on paying down the highest interest debt first to save money on interest charges. Rule number 5, emergency funds, your financial safety net. Life is unpredictable. You never know when you might encounter an unexpected expense, like a medical bill, car repair, or job loss. That's where an emergency fund comes in. An emergency fund is a stash of cash that's specifically set aside for unexpected expenses. Having an emergency fund can prevent you from going into debt when life throws you a curveball. It provides peace of mind and financial security. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in your emergency fund. Start by setting a realistic savings goal and automating your contributions. Consider cutting back on unnecessary expenses and finding ways to boost your income to accelerate your savings. Rule number 6. Investing 101. Grow your wealth and achieve financial freedom. Investing is one of the most powerful tools you have for building wealth over the long term. It's the process of putting your money to work in assets that have the potential to increase in value over time. There are many different types of investments, including stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds. Before you start investing, it's important to educate yourself about the different investment options and to determine your risk tolerance. Consider your financial goals, time horizon, and comfort level with risk. Remember, investing involves risk. There's no guarantee that your investments will increase in value. However, by diversifying your portfolio and investing for the long term, you can potentially minimize your risk and maximize your returns. Rule number 7. Taxes. Taxes are a fact of life, but that doesn't mean they have to be complicated or scary. Understanding the basics of taxes can help you save money and avoid costly mistakes. There are different types of taxes, including income tax, property tax, and sales tax. It's important to understand how taxes work, how to file your taxes correctly, and how to take advantage of any deductions or credits that you're eligible for. Consider consulting with a tax professional if you have complex tax situations. Rule number 8. Retirement planning. Don't work forever. Retirement might seem like a lifetime away, but it's never too early to start planning. The earlier you start saving for retirement, the more time your money has to grow. There are different types of retirement accounts, such as 401k and IRAs, each with its own rules and benefits. Determine how much money you'll need in retirement and develop a savings plan to reach your goals. Consider your estimated expenses, life expectancy, and desired lifestyle in retirement. Rule number 9. Insurance. Protecting what matters most. Insurance is essential for protecting yourself and your loved ones from financial hardship in the event of an unexpected event, such as an illness, accident, or natural disaster. There are different types of insurance, including health insurance, car insurance, home insurance, and life insurance. Evaluate your insurance needs and make sure you have adequate coverage. Shop around for the best rates and consider bundling policies to save money. Rule number 10. Financial goals. Turning dreams into reality. Setting financial goals is crucial for staying motivated and on track with your finances. Your goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. SMART. Whether it's buying a house, paying off debt, or retiring early, having clear financial goals can provide direction and purpose. Break down your goals into smaller, more manageable steps. Track your progress regularly and celebrate your milestones along the way. Remember, your financial journey is unique. Don't compare yourself to others. Focus on your own goals and make progress one step at a time. There you have it. 10 personal finance rules they should have taught us in school, but didn't. Remember, knowledge is power, but only when you put it into action. By understanding these principles, you can achieve your financial goals. Smash subscribe for weekly wealth hacks. No fluff, just results. Ready to break free? Hit that subscribe button now.